Once again, this is 29th Panagbenga Festival, Blossoms Beyond Boundaries. Well, earlier, Andrew, we're back. Of course, we'd also like to acknowledge some of our national government agencies who are also helping us out. Number one, syempre, the Pusayo Man. We also have Police Brigadier General Perry Academy. Thank you very much.
Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Jovi Ginongan of the Department of Tourism Regional Office, Cordillera. All right, at this point, Russell,
The Honorable Benjamin B. Magalo.
And the entire BFFI members, my fellow public servant, by Gladys Vergara. We also have here a special guest from all the way from Pacnotan, Mayor Divine Montanilla, our city's delegation, Mayor Ron Pearson of Antonia, Texas, Mayor Komei Kawata of Hanyo, Japan, Mrs. Erlinda Insignia, President of Bonn, Canada, Ms. Dina Villanueva, Ryan Vallejo of Vallejo, California, Mr. Ginio Han, Director of Construction, Mr. Inju Park, Director of Bonjo City, our special guests, our friends from the media, men and women of uniform, our participating schools and universities, our heads of line agencies of government, people of Baguio, and most especially, I need to mention this, my wife Arlene and my family, I'm sorry. A festive and colorful morning to each and every one of you. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Good morning everyone. Ayong aga sa inyong tanan, imbag nagsapa at ayong amin ako. Today we witness a celebration of beauty, culture, and unity. The Grand Street this year's theme, Blossom Beyond Boundaries, reminds us that just like the flowers that bloom beyond limits, our spirit as a community transcends differences, borders, and challenges. It is grand.
Is the Honorable Marquez Go.
thank you very much, Russell. Vice Mayor Dino Noman, members of the City Council, and our other city officials, employees, officers, and volunteers of the Baguio Flower Festival Foundation Incorporated, led by the Executive Freddy Aquinos and Attorney Maurice Dumogan, our Vice Admiral Cesar Valencia of the DMA, Mayor Kanay Kawatasan, Mayor Ben Nerenberg. This morning, student performers from St. Louis University, University of Baguio, University of the Cordilleras, and the Philippine Military Academy, members of Balang Araw sa inyong lahat. It is my honor and privilege to be here this morning and be part of this celebration. To all our students who participated in today's Grand Street Parade, this moment belongs to you. Your energy, creativity, and dedication have made this event extraordinary. Foundation, helping them grow and flourish in ways that go beyond this event. Your role in shaping their confidence and fueling their dreams is truly invaluable. The Grand Street Parade is the beating heart of Benga. It is what makes this festival special, more than beyond. This is where we celebrate traditions, where we honor the artistry, music, and movement that have long defined Panagbenga. But it is also where we embrace innovation, where fresh ideas and bold creativity push us forward, making each year even more breathtaking than the last. And every year, Panagbenga keeps getting better because of young talents like you.